How to fix iPhone sending green text messages. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is on how you can fix iPhone sending green text messages. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So let's dive right in. So when you open up your messages and you see something like this, that is a green text message and not blue, which is basically an SMS instead of iMessage, which should be blue. So in that case, you will need to first enable your iMessage. To do that, open up your settings. Let me head back here. There we go. After you're on your settings, you will need to head over to messages. So scroll down till you find messages. If you don't find it, head over to the apps section on the bottom. Then search for messages here. There we go. Locate the messages app and then open it up. After you open up your messages app, you will see this iMessage option. Make sure to toggle it on. If it's already on, try toggling the iMessage off and then on. After you've done that, what you might want to do is update your iOS version as well. So head back to your settings front page, go to general. After you're on your general, go to iPhone storage. Check if you have enough storage for and software update. Then finally go to software update and then check if there is an update available. If there is, tap on update now and then update your software. After you've done that, also you can restart your app, your iPhone, or what you can do is reset your network settings as well. So when you're on general, scroll down, head over to transfer reset iPhone, then tap on reset. Then press on reset network settings, type in your password, and then you're good to go. And that should fix your problem. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye.